Hello, what's up guys, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we can discuss that how to log out from your Messenger app. So basically, if I go to my Messenger app, you would see that there is no native login out option. As you can see, we can switch accounts, but we can't log out of Messenger as we do from other apps or from other apps accounts. Basically, we can't log out from Messenger. If I click on switch account, it'll tell me to switch accounts. It'll log me out for that instant, but it won't log me out completely. My informations and details will remain there as I have used my Messenger before on this phone. So basically, how to log out from this. The first option is to basically switch account, and after switching account you can delete the previous account. This is what you can do. And the other way around is all you gotta do is hold long press your Messenger app, and after that click on app info, and after app info what you're going to do is click on clear data and then clear all data. Once you click on clear all data, what's going to happen is going to tell you that it's going to delete every file that in settings or account database and everything of this app. You press OK, and after that what you're going to do is go and click on Messenger, and voila, you are on a fresh newly installed Messenger. It'll take time because we have deleted every data from here, and it'll log it out. Now it's telling me to basically log in with this app because I'm also using this on Facebook. So you gotta make sure that if you have logged yourself out of Messenger, you gotta log out yourself from Facebook too. This way they won't your account history won't be there on that phone. Basically the Messenger, Instagram and Facebook are linked together. If one of those apps has you logged in with a certain account and that same account has a Messenger and Facebook profile too, or an Instagram profile too, it's going to detect that account and it's going to tell you that you can log in via this account. They have made it easy for the Meta, for all the apps that fall in Meta and the Meta company to log in into their accounts. So this is how they have done it. So you're going to make sure that if you want to log out from one of these apps permanently, you will have to clean it from the other apps too, because you can, if someone accesses your phone, they can easily log in into your other apps, such as Messenger or Instagram, because you are already logged in into Facebook or some other app, one of these three apps. So you gotta make sure that you log out from all three of them. So that's how you do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If it helped you, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.